trying to say. Welcome, everybody.
Everybody, welcome to Storytime with the Wilsonville Public Library. My name is Brad.
My name is Joe.
That's right. And we have some wonderful bird stories to share with you guys today.
Yep.
I know our birds are moving sort of south because they can tell it's getting a little chillier, but I still get to watch a few of them outside the window.
Yes.
So. Do you want to jump right in? Yeah, you want
with
to
our
begin
welcome song?
Yes. Okay. Guys, ready for our welcome song? Let's see. I didn't even warm up to it yet today. Okay, can you wave your hands with us?
Get your wavers out.
Wave them happily. Here we go. Wave, 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 waving happily. But we'll stop waving while we count to 3.
All right, my friends, we're going to count to 3 by singing a tweet song like a bird. We're going to tweet. Here we go. Tweet. 1, tweet. 2, tweet. 3. Oh, very good tweeting.
Very good, very good. All right, can you clap your hands along with us? Clap those hands. Oh, there you go. Here we go. Clap, 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 clapping even more. But we'll stop clapping while we count to 4.
All right, now we're going to flap our wings like a bird 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay, stand up on your feet.
Yeah.
It's
let's
my
get
favorite
some
part of
in.
the welcome song, where we shake the camera for anyone watching at YouTube at home, okay? This is really fun. No, really, you should check it out. Here we go, let's stomp. Stomp, 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 stomping really quick. But we'll stop stomping while we count to 6.
Okay, birdies like to eat worms. We're going to eat 6 worms. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gulp. Very good.
Awesome. All right, still on your feet. Let's do some jumping up and down. Here we go. Jump, 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 jump. Jumping is so great. But we'll stop jumping while we count to 8.
All right, birdies like to hop from foot to foot 8 times. Are you ready, my little birdies? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job!
All right, take your hands and make a book. Let's get ready to read together. Read, 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 reading once again. And we'll be ready once we count to 10.
Okay, very quietly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give yourselves a round of applause. Very good. Go ahead and have a seat. And we have a couple of announcements, I think, Brad, right?
I don't know, Joe.
Oh, no.
What?
It's November. Is this
It's November.
our last story time?
What? The last story time? Like of the whole year?
Yeah.
That doesn't seem right.
No, it doesn't.
I think we should
What should
we should do at least one more.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So we will be back on December 16th, I believe it is, for a special December winter story time, all right? Okay, good.
And we wanted to ask you if you would be interested in continuing story times in the barn. I know it's a little cold, but doing it in January and February.
Quick poll. Show of hands, thumbs
Show of
up.
hands. See
Okay.
some jumping up.
All right.
That's great.
We took note. You're committed, those of you who. So if we're here.
We're going to come get you.
We want you to be here with us. Awesome.
That's great.
All right.
All right.
Shall we dive into our first story together?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's. It's one of our favorite stories about a little bird called Choco. It's a mother for Choco, and it's by Plaza. And Plaza has written a lot of different great books, but this one I'm going to tell. Once upon a time, there was a little bird. What color is this little bird? Yellow. And his name was Choco. Now, Choco was yellow. He had big round cheeks. He had wings, of course, because he was bird. And do you see his feet? His feet are stripy. But I should tell you this, Choco was all alone, and he wanted a mother. So one day, he decided that he was going to go in search of a mother. So help me go in search of his mother. That's right, we're in pat our legs, like he's walking. And along the way, he saw a giraffe, Mrs. Giraffe. And Choco said, wow! Mrs. Giraffe is the same color as I am. What color is Mrs. Giraffe? She must be my mother. So Choco went and asked her, you are yellow just like me. Are you my mother? And Mrs. Giraffe said, oh, no, I'm so sorry, dear. You see, I don't have wings like you. Oh, said Choco. But he went looking for a mother that looked like him. Here, let's go walk and find Choco, his mom. So he was walking. And along the way, he saw Mrs. Penguin. And guess what Choco said? He said, can you help me out? Wow! Let's try that again. Here we go. Wow! Very good. That must be my mother. See, she has wings. So he went to ask her, you have wings, Mrs. Penguin. Are you my mother? Oh, Mrs. Penguin said, I am so sorry. But you see, you have big round cheeks, and I don't. I do have wings, but not big round cheeks, so I'm not your mother. Oh, said Choco. But he kept on walking, looking for a mother. And he walked, and he walked, and he walked, and he walked some more. And he came across, very good, Mrs. Walrus. And Choco said, here we go. Wow! That must be my mother because of her big round cheeks. So he went to Mrs. Walrus and said, are you my mother? You have big round cheeks just like me. And Mrs. Walrus, who was kind of grumpy, said, indeed not. I don't have stripy feet like you. I couldn't be your mother. Oh, said Choco. So he kept walking, looking for his mother. And he walked, and he walked, and he got a little sadder because he couldn't find a mother. And finally, as he was walking along, he saw Mrs. Bear. And Mrs. Bear was picking apples. And Choco was so sad he hadn't found his mother that all of a sudden he started to cry. He cried like this, oh, I need a mommy. Can you help me cry? Because he was really loud. I need a mommy. And Mrs. Bear heard Choco and she came running. Oh, Choco, what's wrong? And Choco said, oh, I need a mommy. And Mrs. Bear said, oh, well, what would a mommy do? And Choco said, oh, well, a mommy would give me a great big hug. Can you give yourselves a great big hug? Or those that you love a big hug? Very good. Oh, and so Mrs. Bear gave Choco a hug. And then she said, what else would a mommy do? And Choco thought, and he said, oh, a mommy would give me a kiss. And Choco and Mrs. Bear said, oh, can I give you a kiss? And Choco said, yes. And let's have everybody give a big air kiss. Mwah! Oh, what else would a mommy do for you, Choco? And Choco thought, oh, a mommy would sing and dance to cheer me up because I'm so sad. Thought Mrs. Bear. And she says, I have the perfect song. It goes like this. Choco is so great. Choco is first rate. Choco's like no other. I'd love to be his mother. And they sang that song over and over again. Can you help me out? Here we go. Choco is so great. Choco is first rate. Choco's like no other. I'd love to be his mother. And Choco stopped and thought about what they were singing. And Mrs. Bear said, with a twinkle in her eye, could I be your mother, Choco? And Choco said, that would be great. So Mrs. Bear said, come on home, and I want you to meet my other children. And so they went home, and they met Piggy the pig, Hippy the hippo, and Allie the alligator. And Choco sat in his new home with his brothers and sisters and his new mommy and thought, I'm so glad my mommy looks just like she does because my mother is like no other. And that's the story of a mother for Choco.
We're gonna have you guys stand up on your feet with us so that we can do two little blackbirds together.
But first, let us get warmed up for this.
Oh, yes, good.
So let us flap our blackbird wings. Let's flap our blackbird tail feathers. Shake those tail feathers. Let's call like a blackbird. Caw! 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 Let's fly in a circle this way. Let's fly in a circle that way. I think we're ready, Beth.
Are you guys, you're ready? Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have two little blackbirds. So 1, 2. Two little blackbirds sitting on the hill. One named Jack, one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. What are your blackbirds gonna do?
Let's see. I'm gonna take my two blackbirds. Can you bring your blackbirds out? Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, high. Come back, Low. Come back, high.
Okay, let's see. I have, two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet, one named Loud. Fly away, Quiet.
Fly away, Loud.
Come back, Quiet.
Come back, Loud. All right, I've got one more. I've got one more. You ready? Take your two birds. We're going to put them on top of each other. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast. Shoo. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Shoo. Come back slow. Hey, good job, everybody. Sam's gonna come up and help us out with a visual. I'm gonna see if I can remember how to play it. You see, I was walking through the woods and I found a hole in the ground. But you know what? There was green grass growing all around it. So we can sing. The green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Very good. And in that hole, can you make a hole?
And in that hole.
Oh, that's right, I forgot.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
a call and
supposed to repeat
response. So I'll sing a line, and you sing it back, okay? So we'll try that again. In that hole.
And in that hole.
There was a tree.
There was a tree.
Can you make a tree? There you go.
I've been practicing.
The prettiest tree.
The prettiest tree.
That you ever did see.
That you ever did see.
And the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around.
Good job.
Very good. All right. On that tree, there was a branch. Can you show us a branch, Joe? There you go. You guys make a branch with Joe? And on that tree, there was a branch.
There was a branch.
The prettiest branch.
The prettiest branch.
That you ever did see.
That you ever did see.
And the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Okay, now what do you think was sitting on that branch? Oh,
Cool.
there was a nest. Can you make a nest? Make a little nest there. And on that branch, there was a nest.
There was a nest.
The prettiest nest.
The prettiest nest.
That you ever did see.
That you ever did see.
And the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Okay, inside that nest, if you looked inside, what do you think you might find?
An egg, right.
An egg, that's right, very good. Can you make an egg? Make an egg like Joe, you've got a little egg, okay. And in that nest, there was an egg.
There was an egg.
The prettiest egg.
The prettiest egg.
That you ever did see.
That you ever did see.
And the egg in the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Okay. What could possibly be sitting on top of that egg?
Rhinoceros, I know that one.
What did you say?
I said a rhinoceros. Yes.
Do you think a rhinoceros was sitting on that egg? No. Sorry, Joe. No rhinoceros today. What do you think was sitting on the egg? A bird! That's right. And on that egg, there was a bird.
There was a bird.
The prettiest bird.
The prettiest bird.
That that you ever did see.
That you ever did see.
And the bird on the egg, and the egg in the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Do you know what that bird had on it?
A rhinoceros! Yes, I got that one.
No, Joe. Do you guys know what birds have? Feathers. 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 Good guess, though. Good guess. Okay, can you make a feather? Here we go. And on that bird, there was a feather. The prettiest feather. That you ever did see. Here we go. And the feather on the bird, and the bird on the egg, and the egg in the nest, and the nest on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the hole, and the hole in the ground. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all. One more time. And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around. Awesome job, everybody. Good work with all of that. Thank you, Sam. We hope that you guys can all join us again on December 16th for our special winter story time. And that as our schedule progresses and we find out January and February, we will all see you again then too. I'm glad you're all on your feet because it is time for our goodbye song. Can you get your see you later alligators going? Follow along with Joe. Here we see you later, alligator, when your legs are on straighter. After a while, crocodile, when you're wearing a smile. Pretty soon, baboon, we're gonna fly off to the moon and say, toodaloo, kangaroos. It's been so nice being with you. It's been so nice being with you.